DNA is an incredible coding sequence in every single cell of the human body, and indeed all living organisms. It tells every one of the estimated 30 trillion cells in the human body what to do, how to look, and how to repair and grow. Bill Gates said DNA is like a computer program, but one far more sophisticated than one we could write. In fact, DNA coding is so sophisticated and complex that despite being microscopic, if you could take a single strand out and straighten it out, it could be 2.2 meters long. In fact, if that DNA was the thickness of a human hair where we could actually see it, it would need to be 80 kilometers long. Needless to say, it is complex. But another interesting aspect of DNA is that it is encoded, understandable, and decipherable information. And scientists are quickly working out what each part of the human DNA strand is there to do in the human body. What determines eye color? What determines approximate height? What is a recessive or dominant gene? It is extraordinary that humans could decipher this information if it was the process of a purely natural processes. If we were to find a written book in nature, we would automatically assume that it was the work of an author. DNA is far more complex than any written work, and it is a strong evidence that points to an author too. And how well does this fit with Scripture's revelation of us in Psalms? For you created my inmost being, you knitted me together in the matrix of my mother's womb. I'm Rowan Locke for Thinking Matters, and this has been your Thought for the Week. For more resources like this, go to www.thinkingmatters.org.nz.